Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to transfer photos from Android to Android. If you are using Android phones and now you want to transfer your photos, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to install the third-party app for this. Here's app, just tap on it. Here's the Easy Shore app. You just have to install it on your both phones. Then select file transfer here and select same option here. And here you just have to select from which phone you want to send files on, at which phone you want to receive. I'm going to select send from this phone and receive from this phone. Send. Here you just have to set your location, just enable location service, then go back, then tap on receive option, and here it will start scanning for the other devices. So you just have to wait for it, or you can easily connect with just scanning a QR code. Just tap on it to get a QR code and then tap on scan to connect. And here you just have to use this camera to scan the QR code. Just like that, here the devices are being connecting, so you just have to wait for this and then we'll transfer all of your photos. Here the devices are connected, so you just have to select the images from here. I'm going to select all images, and here you can see all images are being selected. Just tap on send option to send these images, just like that. So that's how you can easily transfer your photos from Android to Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.